Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about embedded style sheets, part of Web Technologies course. Embedded style sheets, also known as internal style sheets, refer to the method of including CSS styles within the head section of an HTML document using the style element. Here is an example of an embedded style sheet. In this example, styles for H1 elements are set to color blue and font size to 36 pixels. And styles for paragraph elements are set to color black and font size to 18 pixels. Embedded style sheets are useful when you want to apply styles to multiple pages within the same website, as the styles are defined in one central location and can be easily reused throughout the website. It is also possible to use CSS selectors and cascading to style groups of elements. For example, this code will create a class highlight and it can be added to any element to give a yellow background. However, it is important to note that embedded style sheets will increase the size of HTML document, making it take longer to load. And if you want to make changes to the styles, you will have to make changes to every HTML document that uses the embedded style sheet. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.